Alright guys, so thank you for coming on board today. So today I'm going to share with you guys how you can create a PDF document, how you can convert a Word document to PDF. I actually got a message on Facebook here. Someone actually reached out to me on Facebook asking, I think on my email list, asking how you can actually create a PDF document from a Word document, and it's very simple. Now actually you can easily do that online. You can use Google Doc. Yes, you can use Google Docs. Yes, I'm going to leave a link under this video to use it. It's free to use. So on Google Doc you can compose your text, your contents, anything, just like your regular Microsoft Word. Yes, so you can actually come over to Google Docs and type your text, everything you want to put inside the Microsoft Word. So you compose your text, your contents, your images, and everything. So once you have all that set up, you can just easily create a PDF version of it. And what you need to do is just like this. Just come over here to File. So once you click on File, it's going to bring down a drop down options for you to select and then pick up and then convert your documents to what. So you can see, you can share, you can create a document, a spreadsheet, presentation, form, drawing. So just come over here and then go to download. Now even you can see this content you have just created on a doc. You can actually email it. You can email to someone, or maybe as a delivery of a product or anything, you can email. But now we want to create a PDF version of this. So you just come to download option. You can see you can actually download a version of these documents in Word, Microsoft Word, open doc formats, rich text formats, and then a PDF document. So I'll just go over and I click on PDF document. So it's going to generate a PDF version of these documents I've just created. You can see. So it's going to automatically convert it, and then save it in my download folder. And it's just as simple as that. It's not hard, it's not complicated. So you can see it's actually downloading. You can see it's Magical Profit. This is the title of the document. You can see. So it's actually down. You can see the PDF icon right here. So it's downloading. It's actually converting and then downloading my these documents. You can actually see on the screen right now. So let's wait for it to complete the download. I'm going to try and open the document so you can see. So it's very simple. Just use the link under this video or Google search. Just search for Google Docs. Yes, on your Google. You need to log into your Gmail account. Yes, so before you can access it. And the beauty of this is while you are composing your text, you can always leave it. It gets automatically saved anywhere you stop, and you can always continue anytime you want. So I love Google Docs. It's very good. It's very creative, and you have so many options to use. You can just like the regular Microsoft Word documents you have on your PC. So this also is very good. A lot of marketers do this. A lot of people actually use this to create their PDF documents. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's check out. I've actually downloaded. The download is now complete. So let me just come over here. So you can see you can see the extension right here, PDF. So this is the PDF version of this Google documents that we generated right here. So you can see, so this is right here. So I just can scroll down. You can see this is a PDF version. Now the essence of this is actually a lot of people actually use PDF version to in so many ways. Perhaps you don't want people to edit your content, or you just want it for people to be able to access it and read online. Actually, there are so many options why people want their documents in PDF. So you can see this is how you generate a simple PDF without in less than 1 minute. Yes, in less than 1 minute. All you need to do is go to Google Docs, generate its contents on Google Docs, and then once you do that, just come to this file section, and then you click on the download. Yes, file section, the download, and then any version of documents you want. You can even create a web page from your document. So you just come over and click on PDF documents, and then you are done. So that's all on how to create a PDF documents fast and easy. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click on the like button, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the button below to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any question for me, you can ask under this video, or you can also reach out to me on Facebook. There's going to be a link under this video to get in touch with me on Facebook, so you can actually ask me any question on Facebook. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.